Okay guys, this is Next Level Car Coding. I am Leah, and I'm here to show you how simple it is to bring your vehicle to the next level with your phone. It's super simple. Just plug the Carly OBD into your car's OBD port, open the app, tap the feature you want to code, and you're all set. This process is incredibly straightforward, designed for anyone to use without hassle. Let's try coding one of the most popular coding feature together in the Carly app, the automatic start-stop. By deactivating the automatic start-stop on your car, you can increase your battery's health and extend its lifetime. 1. Simply plug the Carly scanner into the OBD port of your BMW. 2. Open the Carly app and connect to your car. 3. After connecting your car to the Carly app, tap Coding in the menu. 4. Click on Check Coding Possibilities to see all the features you can customize. 5. Click on DME and then read out DME. You will then see Start/Stop automatic memory that you can simply switch on or off. 6. After your selection, tap Code Now, wait a few seconds, and you're done. Your preferred setting for the automatic start-stop is saved. You can truly customize your car setup, from lights and sounds to various other personalized settings. So if you've got a BMW and love customizing your ride, Carly is a total game changer. It's super easy to use, incredibly smart with its diagnostic capabilities, and honestly, just so much fun to explore. Go check it out.